तेजी हो या मंदी, बाजार की ओर सच्चा नजरिया। छोटे इन्वेस्टर्स के फायदे को ध्यान में रखते हुए शेयर, फॉरेक्स और कमोडिटी बाजार। देश के हर कोने से एक्सपर्ट की सलाह। अहमदाबाद से प्रकाशित होता हुआ आर्थिक साप्ताहिक द इकोनॉमिक रेवोल्यूशन।
Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of AjayStomaniguru.com. Welcome all of you today on 9 July 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my analysis and my views for the next coming trading days, that is for the next week. So friends, if you remember in my previous episode of the yesterday, I have mentioned that I am expecting some profit booking can be seen in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and exactly that has happened during the second half of the yesterday's session. The Nifty and Bank Nifty has fallen significantly, and also in my yesterday's episode I have mentioned that Nifty is currently at a very decisive mode, and from there either the Nifty will break out or break down, and I have mentioned that according to me I am expecting profit booking, that is breakdown is expected to be happen in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and exactly that has been seen in yesterday's session. So I hope you like our analysis. Also, our paid clients for the option strategies have gained more than 40% in few hours, in rather 1 or 2 hours in Bank Nifty option strategy. So to get our advanced analysis and our paid services, you can contact us. Our contact details are given in the description as well as they are mentioned on the screen. Also, you can join our Telegram channel whose link is mentioned in the description. Our Twitter and Facebook pages link are also mentioned in the description. You can also join us there. So if we look at the global markets indicators, then we can see that from the yesterday's session onwards, the Asian markets were showing significant profit booking, and also when the European markets opened, they opened with the negative mark, and their profit booking and the bearish move have been continued throughout the trading session of yesterday's, and also similar things have been seen in US markets also. The profit throughout the yesterday's session, there has been seen profit booking in American markets in the yesterday's session, and the major reason for this profit booking is because of the increase in COVID cases in countries like Japan, UK and USA, which has impacted drastically to the global markets. Also, if you look at the FIs and DIs data, and in the yesterday's session, FIs sold by around 500 crores and DIs sold by around 1000 crores in cash market, as both FIs and DIs were net sellers in the yesterday's session. Therefore, we have seen significant profit booking in Indian markets. So now what will happen for the next coming trading days, that is for the next week. For the next week, I am expecting some profit booking can be seen in metal sector, especially in the public sector metal companies that include Steel Authority of India, Hindustan Copper, Hindustan Zinc, and also you can keep your eyes on Tata Steel also. So these stocks are expected to show further profit booking in either the second half of the today's session or from the Monday, but they are due with their profit booking in the short term perspective. So you need to be very careful in these stocks. So I hope you like our episode, and that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.